Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me a screenshot and said that their document palette is gone. Well, they probably inadvertently turned it off somehow. But if we go to Windows, Dockers, palettes, right up here, document palette. Check it on and it comes on. Check it off, it goes off. Now, these are colors that you have used. So if you start a new color and you make it a green, it adds to your color. If you make a new object and you get purple, it adds it to your color. That's pretty useful for some people. I don't really ever look at it, um, but you could, let's change this purple, holding down the control button, and let's add some black. Make it a dark, dark purple. Okay. Then you could go right here to your eyedropper and it added it to your Docker, your palette. So if you wanted that again, all you'd have to do is go here and click on there or make it green or whatever color you want. You could use that new color. That's the only reason I use it sometimes. But that's how you do it. Always if you're a laser engraver, make sure your color, well, personal preference, but RGB is what you need because it's a truer black. And CMYK is most of your printer people. So you can have both of them. You can have both palettes on, but you can turn them off right there. Anyway, I hope that answered his question and thank you for watching.